Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do you think you're going? Ready for tip number 29? Maybe like 5 seconds to just increase your money in YouTube. Well, if you want to find out, you're going to have to subscribe and click the notification bell. Hi guys, my name is Bobby, and I'm the guy who created this How to Grow a YouTube channel in 2020. Tips and tricks, how to get more views, more subscribers, and make more money on YouTube. Playlists. Welcome. Let me ask you this one question though. Do you believe me when I said you can actually make more money just taking 5 seconds to do this one simple task? Yes or no in the comments, please. People say, oh, I want to make more money on YouTube, but I don't have enough time to put more time into these videos and editing and shooting and things like that. So stay tuned, because like I said, it'll take you only 5 seconds to maybe bump up your revenue on YouTube. All right, so tip number 29 is to test out the category. Most people will end up in tutorial mode, which is educational, right? But test out going into entertainment if it's an entertainment field category, right? To experiment with listing things under your categories. Different categories pay more per ads. Personally, I haven't really seen a difference, but you know, word on the street is that yes, the entertainment category has higher paying ads, but there is really no evidence. But this was tip number 29, and if you know any better, please comment down below. I'm curious to see if you guys have any more information on that. If not, just give me a thumbs up. And make sure you check out the playlist. I'm gonna link up there. And also, I'll link the playlist link in the description down below. Stay tuned to tip number 30, the final day of my challenge. And what we're gonna do is go over one thing that will change your business forever, starting from this point, if you do not have this already. And it's gonna be, I'll give you a hint. Ready? Build an email list. All right, guys, stay tuned, 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning. And please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell.